How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a good day. Market seemed to pump up a little bit pre-market. Now it's dipping down. Down below the 15-minute opening range. Dip below it a little bit. Pump back up. So we're going to see what's going to happen here. See if this is a bear trap or not. Now, I was saying yesterday I'm going to try to trade. I traded these two accounts this morning, trading Harami candles. Now, these two accounts, I'm going to try to trade them with the opening range breakout on the 15. So, we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it goes good. Can't see why it wouldn't. We are at all-time highs, so I'm expecting to go up. Swept this. I'd like to see it come down here though. Sweep this. Touching that fair value gap. Alright, this would have been nice. I guess it kind of did. Can I not move this mouse right today, or what's going on here? A little bit lower. But it didn't. And nice to touch into this. Then start moving back up, but I don't know. Hard to say. Is the music even up on this? I don't even know. Let's see if I can. What is that? I should be open. I have a laptop here. Laptops everywhere. Literally everywhere. Like it was a bit of a bull trap, bear trap, sorry. Let's see here. Strange. Okay. Five minutes left on the 15-minute candle. Go. see here. Do we just sweep above all this? Do we sweep above all that liquidity? Do we stay up here for another 3 minutes and then head back down? What do we got here? So now yeah, we're gonna get this off now, right? From the highs. Oh mouse, what is wrong with you? No, just go from down here. Let's go from down here. Let's see here. If we stay up here and open a new 5-minute candle, get above this and come back and close inside this candle, I'm going to take a short, see if we can take it back down to maybe the 130s, 120s. If it fails, to keep moving up. That's it. Yeah, so we could fail up here. Minutes. Let's see if we get it, man. But it looks like it's going to. Stay in here. It's up in this fair value gap. It's got above. It's failed a little bit. It's holding out. There's a minute left before it closes this candle. If it stays around here, we're going to look to go short. Take a short down to, say, 130. Or if it moves quickly, just bring our stop down behind. So we'll see. 34 is here though in the 9, so, but we can push through. Looks like it wants to. We just wanted to stay up here for a couple more seconds. Can't even talk. I'm not congested for some reason. It did come off, but I don't think that's going to matter. We're going to find out. I'll take 2 here. Buy back down here. After it gets past the 9, we're gonna take. We're gonna bring it down to break even. Got past it, but it didn't. It didn't stay there. give it a bit of time. Well, we got our stop in anyway, so it is what it is. If it takes our stop, that's it. That's all we can do. It was a good trade, regardless. Trading the setup, man. You don't got to worry about moving stop losses or anything else like that. Just trade it and see the probability of it. It's kind of a mechanical trade. If it takes it out, oh well, we'll look for another one. Times at 11:51. That's the only scary part. When it gets close to like 12, 11, 10, 9, or 9:30, 10:30, whatever, I do get a little nervous because it likes to go back against the direction it wants to go, just to swipe everybody out before it moves. So that does make me nervous, but we'll see. Probably should have moved it down as soon as it touches the 9. Should be a new rule. But then again, let's see what happens. Well, technically it should be here, where our stop is. Maybe we'll move it up here. We want to do it right. Let's see. 18 seconds till the next candle. I'm going to push down and close down here. Then I may move it back down here. Alright, depending on how quick this closes. Take these off. Just put 20. I'd like for it to push a little more down, but it doesn't have to, obviously. that there. Doesn't matter. Take it off. Should have left it right where I had it to. Stupid. It's my own fault. That's me. Yeah, if I would have just left that there, it would have been fine. Now for the other accounts, the opening range breakout. Not really doing much right now. Is there any more news today? No more news. Canadian and US CPI. That was it. Well, it's about time. Thank you, YouTube, for fixing my chat. Appreciate it. Now, for a long here, we're below the 50, so we can get back below this wick with the next candle in the next 55 seconds. That would be get back below, close inside. That would be an entry. But it doesn't look like that's going to happen, which is fine. But for the other two accounts, we're going to be looking for the opening range breakout when that happens. And we're going to go small size and just see what we can do. Right? Just let them go. Once they break the range and close above, once that 15-minute candle closes and probably comes back the next one just about to retest or close to retest, maybe we'll enter, right? And then let that one run. So we'll see now how these strategies play out. I think there's the Harami set up here on the 5-minute. And this is going to be just the opening range breakout. So, we'll see. We're up 589 and 580 in our two Elite Trader funding accounts. Link down below if you need any funded accounts with them. 90% off. They do have a setup for your activation fee to be only $39 a month for up to 3 months, I believe. So, well, not just your activation fee, but your monthly fee, whatever, too. So, it's a good deal. Elite Trader funding are good, man. So there's a link down below. Get you 90% off. And Take Profit Trader is 40% off, no activation fee, no daily loss limit. Use code JW. Really helps. Really appreciate it. Might get back below this. If we do get back below, swing back into this somehow, below this candle, and we don't continue, definitely could be looking for a setup. And we're below, back up. That would constitute it, because it would be a bullish, well, if it stays up, a bullish one back to the upside. So, but it would only be like, what, this high maybe? Or, yeah, still. 2 minutes left. If it stays inside, it opens a new one. But if it does that, I would say we're going for the 220s again and higher. Maybe this 35 or the 50. I don't know. That's what it seems like. Let's see. Or do we just lose it and it dumps? Either way. We just gotta stay inside of this. Stay inside of this candle now that we swept it into a fair value gap in discount. I don't know if that's exactly those Harami candles supposed to be traded, but that's how I trade them. So we're gonna see. Stop above the, or below the wick down here. Take profit up here. So, but we could actually, with this kind of setup, I think we could aim for the highs if we stay down here long enough. Minute 11 left, so we'll see. We will see, man. Seconds. Ugh, don't go all the way up. Totally defeat the purpose. Stop at the low. Buy at the high. But like I said, could go up through that. We will see. 129 left on this candle. I like for it to close back up at the top of this candle. But if it don't, obviously. Minute left. If it closes back up by the top, I might move this up to the highs. And once it gets up to our, basically here, I'm going to run it super close. If it does. If it doesn't, oh well. $33 seconds left. Close towards the lows. I don't really like that, but it doesn't mean that it's going to take it out. Definitely could, but yeah, this could be just creeping lower. I don't know. We'll see. I don't like how it's... Do I have this right at the low? I probably don't. That would have took me out because I didn't have it right at the low. Wow. Now if it bounces up, that's going to be crazy. If it does. If it don't, oh well. Don't care. Wait for the next setup, but... let's see what happens. Three minutes left on this candle. Now does this candle push back up the 15 minute like the last one? And leave this wick. Alright, close up here. Open the new one. Come back to our entry and continue. I don't know. It looks like it could. If it decides to go up. Now it might come down and sweep everything. Well, it already swept the lows though. So it's at all-time highs. Wouldn't probability state that'll start moving up. But it is NQ, so NQ is not big on probability. It's like I'll do whatever I want, whenever I want. And for our other two accounts, once we get to the high or low and break and stay below, that's when we'll enter. So 2 minutes left on this 5, 2 minutes on the 15. There you go. Took us out. No big deal. Alright. Wait for our next setup. Really thought that was going to go. Well, I guess it did go up a bit. 2 something. I could have took it at first. Now are we coming to our other accounts now? It's just going to be we did have a pretty big move up, so we got a bunch of wicks down here. The 15. Now, mind you, we get back into this. 16 seconds left. Well, that still would be, yeah. Alright, we can call that that. It's basically a fair value gap. Well, basically it's kind of lower. It's not really a fair value gap, but we push down to this one. We'll see, man. We will see. See what happens. What are these? I don't know why I have those there. Gotta wait for the setup, man. This is the worst part. It takes forever waiting for this. in 1 minute, and we're gonna get below and then get back up. There's no way. I think that's the stay underneath this candle, though, right? I'm not exactly sure how it works. "45 seconds left in the 5 minute. God knows. I never even got out of the range yet, so don't get too excited. Everything's looking bearish. Right? Definitely not a breakout day. There's going to be a lot of range in, I think. A lot of range. That would sweep all those. Off the bottom orb. And make them a different color. Let's go with green or something. Or dark. Well, that'd be alright. No. Anyway, the bottom one's green. It isn't a fair value gap. Can we get in this one? Get down here and get back up in 7 minutes. Should be doable. Should be doable. Push down, get everybody excited. Run back up, squeeze everybody out. Market can do that. 1223 besides, so that would be a good time to dip down there. Great time, actually. 30 seconds left on the 5 minute. 5 minutes on the 15. Five-minute close in that gap. Need to sweep below. Need to push back down. Push down, baby. Back down, sweep this. Maybe to that 97 like we were talking about. Do it fast because we got 4 minutes and we gotta get back above the orb. There you go, it's swept. Now, 3 minutes. Move down a little more to the 97. We're just off this one. There you go. Start moving back up now. Should wait for this to close, but I got a funny feeling this is the spot here. So I'm going to take it now. Bounces back up here, we're fine. I was hoping for a quick rejection from the lows, but I don't think we're going to get it. Two minutes, 55 seconds. We definitely could get it. There it is. Continue though. Get back above that 50. So volatile. Yeah, we got 3 minutes until the friggin' new hour candle. Ugh, I keep forgetting about that. Wake up now to close inside. That would be our best case scenario. Yeah, I totally forgot about that. I should have been watching. New hour. Well, maybe it'll bring us back up first. Maybe not. One minute, 50 seconds to get back up inside the orb. I don't think we're going to get it. Need a quick bounce back up now. 120. Nope, not going to get it. Wanted to, but it's not going to. 1 minute left to close. So can close back up into this. "45 seconds. now. Okay. "16 seconds for that move back up." I'm gonna watch this and make sure we just don't go up and touch the range. What happened there? Well, yeah, I'm surprised it wouldn't go back up here and touch. Right, like that. Oh well. That is a close inside that. So let's see. Right, like I feel like that's gonna go up here. Feelings aren't really the way to go here, but I feel like we get that push, that squeeze. Feels like a squeeze here. I don't know. It's weird. Now, for the other accounts, this is a break of that range. So, which accounts are those? Okay, so that is a break of the range. 77. So we're gonna go. What are we going here? 8? 10? We'll go 10. Stop. Where? Up here somewhere? And let's see what happens. I still think it squeezes, but I gotta stick to the rules that I set up. like this. I think it squeezes back up. I do. I honestly do. I don't know why I feel like that, but I really do. And I shouldn't. I should be short. Okay. All my senses are telling me we should be long. But now, am I right? Am I wrong? Value gap here. Right, so find out, I guess. Back to the bottom of the range. Through it a little bit. Do 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 do. Right? That's why I felt long. That's why I felt long. Oh. I think we popped through. Now we move back down. What do we got? 5 minutes left on this candle. Add a pivot point. We'll see. Now if we close down below this, the lower orb, we'll be good. But if we don't, we continue pushing, we'll just get out. This looks good though. it might just squeeze all the way back up. It's hard to say. Gotta be careful. Sometimes the orbs don't work, man. We're setting up the bear flag though, so see how this plays out. But I don't want to close up at a high of this candle. We only got 3 minutes left on the 15. I don't want to close up at a high to 15 or I'm just going to get out. Yeah, see, look. Yeah, gross. I don't trust this at all. I knew it felt squeezing. I felt it. Felt it down there. Like, feels like it's going to squeeze. And then it squeezes. Oh, I freaking knew it. I don't know why I felt that, but it's kind of used up now. Alright, like that. Looks like a big old bull run. You open back inside, come back and down, touch it, start moving up again. I don't know. So we did. What do we have down here? Right, this could just squeeze right back up. It's at the VWAP though, so you don't know. There's 2 minutes left on a 15-minute candle. I think it squeezes. I think it squeezes right back up. I think everybody's short. I think. Now maybe everybody's long. Maybe everybody's thinking like me. It's hard to say. Right? 1 minute left, now start pushing. I don't know. I don't know here. I don't know, honestly. There's a close down below this bottom orb. 24 seconds. I think that's going to determine a lot. Seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Come on, close down below it. I don't like that. Yeah. Not saying it won't continue, but run back up to the pivot maybe. Excuse me. maybe I should just wait for the VWAP again. Right. Well. What's going on? Tell me fucking Trump's talking. He is. Okay, I'm getting out of this. I don't know what's going on here. FOMC. Back up to the VWAP. 23,100 is holding us up. So we'll see. Down at the lower end of the orb. 15-minute opening range. Above the pivot. Trying to go below the pivot. Does the pivot hold? Or does it get above? Alright, like this here. What happened here? Not nerve-wracking at all. My internet gave out for a second. That's good. Trading futures. That's what you need. What the fuck is this? Okay, I'm getting out of this.